Welcome back to my channel. Yes, you are. Macam meow. I don't know. Lupa. Dan kali ini kita akan main Peekaboo Night Shift Nurse. This is my first time playing a horror game. I don't know. And I don't want to play horror game ever again. This is the last. But if the video like dia boleh sampai 5 like, aku akan sambung game. Aku akan sambung main game horror. Let's go. So jam 18, 7.30. Kejut aku lagi. Atau masih mencarut. Kita buat apa guys? Duduk. Hello, how may I help you? How may I help you? Hello nurse. Time to deliver mechanism for a patient. Bed Mawar 1. She is Miss Pamela Safitri, 65 tahun. Dia adalah pesakit Dr. Edward. Medical list has been sent you to your computer. Please check and forward to the pharmacy. After that, you need to wait until they call you to confirm that the medical is ready. You got me? Okay, I got you. Take the computer. Pundek lah, benda lagi tu. Hello, how may I help you? Your nurse, medical order from my friend if it is ready. Please go to the pharmacy and pick up the order. Go to pharmacy. Satu Mawar ni Angela. Ni Melati. Ini Mawar. Excuse me. Yes nurse. Medication for Miss Pamela Savitra. It's for my mom. Thank you. Buka kena tutup balik. Kira kita tutup belah bangsat. Tutup. Kenapa lah kau main game ni? Kenapa tak main game lain? Apa duduk. Si cukup bangsat. Apa ni pantat dah?
Run.
Oh, man, the hell. Hello, nurse. The infusion bottle is running out. Could you replace it with the new one? Than before. Alah, pundeknya perempuan ni. Dia nak bagi ubat. Nak yang baru. Tak apa. Okay. Banyak sangat lah call game ni. Hello, how may I help you? Hello, nurse, infusion bottle for my sister is ready. Come. Assalamualaikum. Excuse me. This nurse infusion bottle is empty. Please replace. Have you repaired with anyone? Yes, I did. Nurse, is there someone else in the matter? No one is vacant. Something happened? Would you like to stop crying? He was crying out. Suddenly, I think he is. Could you check? Aku tak berani ya. Budak ah. Boy, are you okay? Pantat dia babi. Aku dah pantat. Lari, lari. Ending 1 9. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I don't want to play horror game ni. Kalau kau nak bersama game ni, bagi 5 like. Aku akan buat ending 2. Okay, bye. Shut the fuck up, man.